This is the homepage of our application. AgriChain is built to be user-friendly and accessible to everyone. That's why we support multilingual access, currently in 8 regional languages. Not everyone is comfortable with English, so this feature ensures inclusivity for all our users. This is the registration page. Users can sign up as farmers, processor, distributor, retailer, transporters or validators. Each role is vital in the supply chain. Transporters provide extra details like organization type, and all registrations of the transporters/validators are verified by admin to ensure trust and authenticity. Let's log in as a farmer. Here is the farmer's dashboard where farmers can view their lot details. Every registered user is automatically provided with a crypto wallet, which is funded with a small number of tokens from the admin wallet, and this is known as auto funding. This allows more transactions on the blockchain. While everything runs under the hood, users can still access their wallet recovery phase and private keys just in case they want to verify transactions on platforms like MetaMask or other EVM wallets. Now let's create a lot. Only farmers can do this. We enter details like price and quality, the crop, and also the location is auto-fetched from the farmer's phone. Lot creation is a blockchain transaction, so it may take a few moments just because of the gas fees. Once completed, you can see the lot details. Here you can see the lot is created successfully and it is showing in my agricultural lots. You can look into further details of the lot. To prevent unfair pricing, AgriChain uses a price oracle feature. It stops users from setting prices that are too high or too low and suggests fair market price. Here we are setting a transaction that is 200% above the market rate, and thus the transaction is cancelled. Users can also see the details of the lot on Etherscan. Now let's log in as a processor. Processor can only request lot directly from farmers. We send a transfer request with an offer price. We set the price and the weight and the delivery location of the lot. And all the other details are optional, and it appears in outgoing requests. Switching back to the farmer's dashboard, we approve the processor's request with an offer price of 20 rupees. You can see the credentials of the processor as well. So the transfer was approved, and you can see approved written over there. Now comes the validator or transporter. Validator ensures fair pricing and verify ownership transfer. They also receive a validation fees. Here it's 100 rupees as chosen during the registration. Validation process happens in 3 steps. Accept the validation request, approve the transfer, and verify ownership transfer on site, and then complete the transfer. Here you can see that happening. After each and every approval of the lot transfer by the previous owner of the lot, it is validated by the validator, and thus the transfer completes. Now the distributor steps in. You can also see the wallet feature implemented. They send a transfer request to the processor, and once approved and validated by the validator, the lot ownership moves to the distributor. The price is automatically set over here, which is suggested by the price oracle feature of our application. The delivery location is set, and thus the transfer request is submitted. Logging in into the processor dashboard, we can see the incoming request from the distributor. With an offer price of 30 rupees, we will be approving the transfer request. The transfer request is approved. Logging in onto the transporter dashboard, we'll be approving the transfer and completing the transfer process. Finally, the retailer requests a transfer from the distributor. With the validator's approval, the lot reaches the retailer, completing the supply chain journey. You can see that the transfer is complete and the lot is owned by the retailer. At the customer's end, the retailer provides a QR code with the lot. When scanned, it shows complete transfer history of the product from farmer to retailer along with the trust score based on the journey. This ensures transparent authenticity and trust for every agricultural purchase. AgriChain, building trust, transparency, and fairness in agriculture through blockchain. Join us in transforming the food supply chain.